Um, Hello. We are the group 9, and we are going to present our final project for the final term. Our project proposal is a laundry management system. Our system main focus is to aid the laundry shops or the cleaning, the cl- the clothing service, the to their day-to-day endeavor with with their business. And so we are going to present our system for this video. Our system name, our system is laundry management system, and our we decided to name our shop as Justified Cleaning Machine, and our motto would be tested service with a crystal clear intention. We made this name and motto to signify that we are trying to portray a laundry shop that focus on service of this focus more on the service. Uh, then so we use for our front end we use Visual Basic, for it is the main requirement for this activity for this project that we use Visual Basic as our front end front end of our system. And for our backend, we use MySQL database. The our main instead of using XAMPP, which is an online SQL workplace, we use to download the MySQL workbench to support our system. Here's the MySQL our MySQL database. Then we have the following table: the customer table, the item table, the service table, and the user table. And the next would be reported by my fellow member, Michael Angelo Chan, to explain about the login and create menu forms. Next.
Hello. This is our login form, our system login form. There's a user and admin user. And then you can choose user if you are customer, and then admin if you are the owner. And then if you don't have a account, you have create a new account in the create user account. If you are not if you don't have account, it will be an invalid, or if you don't have account, you have to create a new. This is our create user form. You have to name. The name will be sort by letters. If you put numbers, it will be error message. And then our password is no limit. And then if password doesn't match, it, it will be an error message. And then our new account successfully registered will be saved on database data.
So our fellow member Michael Angelo Chan have explained our login form as well as the create user form. Now we go on to tab, or let's start first with the user account, with the user tab, which is the customers. For example, we created earlier the customer details. We inputted it earlier in the create a user account. Now, if you see here, here is the detail of the last user we entered to our system. Then let's enter its username to our system to be able to enter the user form, the customer transaction form. The password would be we also have the password that show for our login system, which is its password is means to be protected. So after if you are able to enter, then this message box will show. Then this is our main, this is the user main transaction form. The user could only access their this transaction. And for this transaction, you will see the customer information, the name of the user, as well as the address and the date to claim your laundry. You need to set the date for you to claim your laundry in order for you to be to know when to claim your laundry and go back to the laundry shop, for our laundry shop. Um, let's set it on December 22, 2021. Then for the main transaction, we offer you multiple services. For example, our main services would be the wash, dry, fold. This is only applicable to the clothes that does not need to more complicated or more special way to clean, more sensitive items to clean. Sample of items that are not sensitive to cleaning are t-shirts, shorts. Those are the example of the things that would be clean, that would be washed for our main services. Our main services are the following: wash, dry, fold, wash, dry, press. Wash, dry, press involves the ironing or plancha, and hand wash, dry, and fold. There are some cloth type that needs to be handled with more care. We need to use more ha- we need to use more care with those items. And the the option would be the hand wash, dry, and fold. Hand wash, dry, fold. Then we also have hand wash, dry, press. It's a given that it also have press option, ironing or plancha. Then we have iron only. If the user just want to leave their cloth to just iron it or plancha lang, pwede yun. Then for our special item, we have the following. These special item are things that not fit for our main services, meaning that we need to handle these materials or these items well. So we involve special items for our laundry shops to be able to specify the things that we need to handle with care. And these are the following: towels, blanket, bed sheet, polo, jacket, barong, gown, and suit. These are some of the clothes, clothes that are very sensitive and need to be handled with care. So the quantity in measuring the both is, we use kilogram, because after our research we find out that there are some laundry shop that price their service by the number of sack or even by kilo. So we choose our pricing by kilo. And for our special items, it will be priced by the number of items to be washed or to be cleaned. Then let's perform the transaction. First, if you only select cleaning services, you would not be able to select from the combo box of the special item. First, let's pick a special item to a main service. Let's try with hand wash, dry, and press. As you can see, it has a unit price of 40 pesos. Then how many kilograms are we going to, how many kilograms does the bag that our customer give us? Let's say we have 10 kilo, or maybe let's try 15 kilogram. So 15 kilogram, and the service is hand wash, dry, and fold. We need, after the user have picked the pick have determined the weight of the bag, the sack that hold all his or her laundry, we need to add it, and it will be enter. It will be the item you entered, or the service you entered, will be put in this data grid view. As you can see, there will be the quantity, the price, and the amount. And if you also want to select another special item, just pick another special item to wash, and let's try to select blanket. How many blanket? Let's say we have 5 blanket, and the price for a single blanket to clean would be 100 pesos. And let's enter it to the system, to this data grid view. And as you can see, the blanket is here, quantity 5, price, and amount. Then if you want to have discount, we can choose, but it's better not. I choose to not add a discount. Then click compute. It will also notify you that you did not set, that the admin did not set, or the user did not set discount. So here we are, the grand total. The grand total would be computed by the subtotal minus the discount, the discount rate. And the user will be prompted to enter the cash. For example, we have 1,000, and compute change to have the change. And after that, we only we can generate the receipt. Here is the receipt details. This is our receipt. Now, if the user want to have another transaction, just press new. And if you want to change your customer name, you can just change it, as well as your address, and also the time to be picked again. Then the user will be logged out. After this, the transaction that the user have done would be saved into the database, and it will be displayed to the admin menu, or the admin dashboard. Let's go to the admin access or user type. Then let's input the username of the admin. This message box will appear, and this is our main. This is the main dashboard of the admin. We have the dashboard tab, the transaction tab, the customer tab, the service tab, the user setting tab, the about us tab, as well as logout. And here you see the dashboard. In the dashboard, the overview, as well as the list of the prices of the items for each of the main service we offer. And this is the total transaction, the total customers who have done transaction with the system, and the total profit generated. And here you see the laundry progress. The number of pending progress would be 0, and the number of finished laundry would be 5, and the number of claim laundry would be laundry that need to be claimed would be 2, and the number of laundry that is already claimed will be 3. Then let's go to the transaction tab. Here you see the transaction tab. The admin, or the purpose of this transaction tab, is to be the cashier type. It will be our point of sale for the laundry for the shop. Then we have here the customer. This customer tab also have the following details, and as well as all the customer informations. who made transaction with our system, the customer ID, name, address, date, amount, status, and remarks. And here you can just add or set the information. Here you cannot enter anything. You cannot change. Because the purpose of this transaction is to just edited whether the transaction or the laundry made by the laundry given by the customer is to be set pending, to set the status of the laundry given by the customer to pending or finish, and the remarks will, and if the customer claim or not or did not claim their laundry yet. For example, we have this recent transaction by Jose Milo de la Cruz, and as you can see, the status of his laundry would be pending, and it does not have yet it. And the remarks is not set yet. So let's start. Let's say that the laundry given by Sir De La Cruz would be finished already and already claimed. Update. This message must indicate that the table or the data is already updated. You just need to refresh it, and let's see. This is the row or the item Jose Melo de la Cruz, and here we see again the status of the laundry is finished and it's already claimed, and the total customer is the same. Number of total customer, the number of profit. The total profit is generated by adding all this column, adding this column. Then we can also remove a transaction. So we can also delete it here. And let's move on to the service. Here in the service tab, we have the following the list of the special items and the services we offer that will be displayed to the user transactions. And here we have the special items. The list of the special items we can delete or edited. For example, we choose to delete barong, jacket, change the price of the jacket. First, you cannot input a letter with this text box. Also, you could not enter a letter here on this text box for the name, a number, sorry. Also here, you cannot enter a letter. Let's change the price of the jacket to 50 pesos. The data is updated. Refresh. Let's see if the jacket is 50 pesos. It's already 50 pesos. Clear. We can also remove items. Let's try to pick removing suit. Remove. Okay. As you can see, it's already deleted. There is no suit. Now it is not updated anymore. Now it's already updated. There is no available suit. And now we go on to the setting tab. That this part will be reported by Jose Milo. Here.
Okay, so in the user settings form, an admin can edit the information about the user. If you click if you click a record on the grid view, it will appear in the users list. So an admin can choose to edit their information or remove them. So the Michael Guimara's record has been an admin can edit information about the user. should a user forget about their password, they can ask the admin so that we can give them their password. Up. The only thing an admin can't do is add a record, because adding a record comes from the login form where you create a new user. So the about us form. Ako yun, no? Wait lang. Sorry. So the about us form tells us a bit of information about the company and the developers of the system. So the system details is here. The laundry management system enables the laundry and dry cleaning business to manage day-to-day operations, order, processes, billing, and delivery management in an automated environment. We process laundry as per our customers' specifications. We only use safe and environmental friendly detergents and disinfectants, and all of our equipments are power conservative. So this is our system details. Our shop details is our laundry service is to provide people with a place to wash and clean laundry and helps to remove any bacteria, dirt, fleas, mites, and other irritants or infection. On the right panel, which is a system developer, we can see the developers of the laundry system. First is the Vistal, Semilo de la Cruz, and Michael Chan.
So this is the end of our presentation.